Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of third secondary, we are going to solve questions of chapter 2, chemical analysis. We are going to solve the second part of it. Okay, in this worksheet, we are going to practice determining the purity of substance based on its proportion by mass and physical properties. Let's start by questions of Egyptian Knowledge Bank. We are going to start with it. Okay, question number 1. What is the equation that gives the percentage purity in terms of the mass of the pure chemical and the mass of the sample? Okay, we have here number 1 of choices. We have percentage purity, mass sample minus mass of pure chemical over mass of sample time 100 to give the percentage. Okay, we have another one. We have here percentage equal mass of sample divided by mass of pure chemical time 100. Okay, another one, number C, percentage purity equal mass of pure chemical over mass of sample time 100. And the last one, mass purity equal the mass of sample divided over mass of pure chemical. We said before that we are going to give mass percentage by mass of 1 over mass of all time 100. This is our rule in a simple way. So if we have 1 over all time 100, it means that the answer of this one is mass of pure chemical substance. It means 1 divided mass of sample, all that contain all component of the chemical substance time 100. This is the first rules that we take in our chapter. Percentage purity equal mass of pure chemical substance divided by mass of sample as all time 100. It means that we have many rules that taken before, like calculating mass, how we can calculating mass by giving this first rule that we have taken, number of moles equal mass over molar mass. We give the mass equal number of moles time molar mass of the substance. So after giving the mass of the sample or the mass of pures or mass of pure chemical substance, we can get the percentage of purity of this substance. Okay, we have our rules, very interesting, and we have different problems that we will solving on it. Okay, we are going to question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says that a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen gas has a mass of 1.2 kilogram. After 250 gram of oxygen in the mixture is reacted with a metal, pure nitrogen is left behind. Okay, we have here the nitrogen left behind. Two significant figures. What is the percentage purity of nitrogen in the original mixture? We want to calculate the percentage of what? Of nitrogen. Okay, at first, here we have a problem. We have mass to get the mass of nitrogen. At first, we have mass of sample, and we have two components inside the sample. We have nitrogen and oxygen. If we take one of them, or we have one of them, we can make a minus or subtraction to sample as all minus one of them to get the other. Okay, we have here mass of nitrogen. We wanted to get the mass of nitrogen, so we take the sample mass minus mass of oxygen. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, we have here a problem, take many steps. Okay, the second one, we will calculate the mass of nitrogen by converting the same in the same unit. We have 1.2 kilogram. We will convert it to 1200 gram, as they must be in the same unit, minus 250 gram. So at first we get the mass of what? Mass of nitrogen. So we have here the mass of nitrogen 950 gram. Okay, after that we take, or we have the rule, mass percentage or percentage purity equal mass of pure chemical or the one of them divided mass of all time 100 percentage. Okay, here we have mass of pure chemical 950 gram that we take from the first step, divided by total mass 1200 time 100, so we get the percentage purity, while giving to us at the end will be 79 percentage. Okay, I think it's problem need many steps, but it's easy at the all. We have a lot of problems. Please concentrate. It take just hint to take the idea of the problem, and we will take after time you will solve it very easy and take a less time in solving. Okay, we are going to question number 3. Okay, question number 3 says that, okay, which of the following statement best describe what an impurity is? Okay, impurity means unwanted substance mixed within a desired substance. Okay, another one, a wanted substance mixed within a desired substance. Another one, a substance finally dispersed in another substance. We have number D, a substance dissolved in another substance. And a last one, substance that can be separated from another substance. Here we have many choices. We have impurity means that substance that we didn't want mixed with another one we want. So the right answer will be number A. Here we have unwanted substance mixed with a desired or wanted substance. I think we must concentrate in reading many statements with the same meaning, and we have to concentrate to solve it. Okay, we are going to question number 5. Okay, question number 5 says that which of the following is an effect that impurities don't typically have on the boiling or melting point of a substance? Okay, it means that we didn't affected or the impurities not affected. Okay, number 1 here, number A, making the melting point occur over a larger temperature range. It may be deviating from the reference value from the melting point or boiling point. Number C, making the boiling point occur sharply at a definite temperature. Number D, increasing the boiling point. And number E, decreasing the melting point. Okay, if we want to don't affect on the boiling point or melting point of a substance, it means that we want to make impurities alone and the substance keep its own properties without any changing. We didn't want the properties of substance change. So here we have number C, making boiling point occur sharply at a definite temperature. Okay, if we reach to a definite temperature special for this substance, so we have here the substance and we must over this temperature to make that special for the substance, or it depends on what we have taken before, specific heat for this substance. Okay, we have here another question number 6. We are going to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 says that which of the following substances can be considered chemically pure? What do we mean by chemically pure? Okay, here we have a brass, number A. Number B, seawater. Do you think it be pure? Seawater, it is a mixture as all. It is from water and salt. Another one, air. Air also is a mixture. And apple juice may be pure. Sometimes may be mixed with some water, some sugar. The last one, a bar of 24 karat gold. Okay, here we have the brass. It means that the total amount of metal in the as present in the earth's crust. It means that we have some impurities inside it. Okay, if we have a concentration, definite concentration of the substance, it means that we have a substance in the pure state. It means that no impurities or no additives to this substance. So here we have the answer will be number E, a bar of 24 karat gold. Okay, I think it's easy, but we must know all the items or the meaning of the items or the words in front of you. Okay, we are going to question number 7. Okay, question number 7 says that a student obtains a sample of water and wants to test its purity by determining its melting and boiling point. So if we want to determining the purity, we have two choices determining which of them available, melting point or boiling point. So what will happen? Number one, determining the amount of analytes through a qualitative analysis. Number B, identifying the type of metal precipitated from qualitative analysis. Okay, maybe easy for us. Number C, determining the amount of analyte through a qualitative analysis. Okay, here we have a quantitative analysis. Okay, I think maybe number D, identifying the type of metal precipitated through quantitative analysis also. Here we have the answer will be number B. Okay, we will take in consideration the after the appearance of precipitation or the metal percepted when make a qualitative analysis. It means that we take a purity of substance in consideration as here we reaches to its boiling point. If we want to identifying the type of metal precipitated through a qualitative analysis, so here we reaches to the test for impurity or purity for this substance. Okay, it's a very important, we must take in consideration the type of questions that concentrate on the items quantitative and the difference between quantitative and qualitative analysis. Okay, we are going to question number 8.